Voki is a really cool site where you can create a speaking avatar. And your first step is to go to Voki.com, and on the right you're going to click the login button. There's a couple things you could use Voki for. One of them would be to create a presentation that you could put in front of the class instead of you speaking, your avatar would speak for you. Another option would be to publish a story, and even before publishing a story, you could actually use your Voki to conference on a draft and type your draft into the Voki and then hear it and be able to tell some of the mistakes. To start off, you're going to come to this page, which once you create some Vokis, you'll see them here, but since we're just starting, we're going to go to the Create tab. And on the Create tab, a randomly generated Voki will show up right away. You could choose to use this one, or you can click on this dice right here, and this will randomly select another character that will come up. Okay, and you can keep clicking on this if you'd like to. Or you can customize your own character by coming over here and clicking on Choose Your Character. And you can go through, there's a lot of different options here, animals and cartoons, etc. We're going to pick a classic one for today. And you'll notice that there's ones that have these little hats on them. Those are for a different type of subscription, so we need to pick ones that don't have those hats on them. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. And then once you pick your character, you can change their hair style. And you can also change their mouth. And there's lots of options, so you can scroll up and down to see what else is there. You then can decide on what they're going to wear, and again, these little arrows help you pick from different options. We're going to go through and pick from the dressy section, and we're going to dress her up in a suit. Okay. Depending on what you pick, you might be able to also choose headgear. The last tab over here is bling, so you can pick glasses for your avatar. And jewelry. Okay. And when you're done, you can take a look at what you have so far. Okay, another area that you can go to is over here to change the color of the mouth, if you would like to. You can change the makeup a little bit, change the intensity of it, eye color, skin color, and the hair color you can tweak also. You can also change their mouth size, nose, okay. So then you need to decide the voice you're going to give your avatar. You have a couple of options. The first one is to actually call on your cell phone and record your voice. Another option is text-to-speech by typing in your speech. You can also record yourself with a microphone, or you can upload an audio file. For today, we're going to choose the text-to-speech option. And so all you would do then is click in this box and go ahead and type in what you want your avatar to say. You would choose your language. We're going to choose English, and then go to choose the voice. Paul is the default. We can press this button here to look at some other options, and there's different accents that you can choose. We'll pick this one to try. Okay, then you just press this play button to see how it sounds.
Thumbs up, Voki.
Another option is to click on the effects button, and you can choose different effects for your Voki. So just for example, if you wanted to pick this one.
Thumbs up, Voki.
You hear what it sounds like.
Thumbs up, Voki.
Once you're done putting in your text, you can press the done button, and then you get to choose a background. And there's lots of different options here that you can see to pick from. I'm going to pick from the city views, and then you'll see the background appear on there. You could also upload a picture as well. You get to choose the color of the player. I'm going to pick this one. And the other thing that you can change is right here. If you press this zoom, you can change where your Voki is standing on the screen, how zoomed in or where in the screen they're standing if you want them to move their position. Okay, so when you're ready to publish, you will just click this publish button right here, give it a title, and press save. What will pop up right away is a link that you can use to share, also an embed code. And then if you go back to the My Voki tab, you will see your Voki up on the screen here under your Vokis. And you can access it there. You can go back and edit it, or again use it, find the link and also the embed code. I hope you have fun using Voki and let your creative juices flow.